Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1998 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. It has the 3RZ FE 2.7 liter 4-cylinder gasoline timing chain engine. It does come with an automatic transmission. This Land Cruiser Prado has 82,988 original miles. It is 4-wheel drive. It does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. This vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles. The number you're seeing right here, 133,557. That is the kilometers. The miles on it again is 82,988. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can give us a call at 423-716-2161. If you have any questions, we would be happy to answer them for you. I do want to tell you guys thank you so much. We really do appreciate the continual support from each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much and have a blessed and safe day.